Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
On your telephone now. So far so good. I'm the COVID year. Nanya dia obia expect say bibisa bisi. Na nyame so no nim dia oye. Eti estatifi out there no nim say yare bia esi wono ho a kakra eti ana obawura yeman mu nti de ehu ne am hihye ebeto obia so especially where the rate na o behave out there na yade bia ehu pa but so far the come fans say so far so good o de toto the SEC other amount bi hu dia na em say nyame eni edin yara where the numbers are impo the mighty ones, the US and the counterparts of Europe near the other. Okay, the CC or homo or ma any infection ni bini or ma ewu na obo Africa has you know. Stories ni bia that is I'm sure people were expecting saying be Africa the encounter street is cry that is nipa ewu deda abonte sa that was the expectation. Anama for visible do Africa hama ebiasani ebehuno. But so far o they compare Europe ni US dia na beka se nyame ehu ye mobara. Yes, nyame ayana famu die. Na akohia se e wose nipa nso na yeti omanu mu yeso ya famu die. Fortunately for us no, it happened at a time you were a great leader in the person of Nana Addo. To show the leadership qualities when it comes to all spheres of life about this issue no so no say again what demonstrate enough by one assembling a team officer to me and manage COVID issues no and pamba team so or assemble na now records no necessarily yare no etua na more memu a em fi say team ni na no I say you bought almost abaso together with medical personnel all frontline workers umina abwa the leader ma yetumi asoso yare mu so far no I think say so far so good and to a large extent no Ghana for do na so out there no especially omatie instructions advice from leadership so there no ehu ade no say no say ya utuanamo ya at least ye nyina ebetumi asonson ye ho kakra na say ye nyina ebetumi abo ye ho ban kakra no yes nipa do na so a conform and as omutie afutuo no say as de bia na say ye bi so ba bia say bi so ye extend bi to Ghana for do na ya so ya support leadership and as ye tie leadership afutuo de ma ye no ma ye tuanamo ma yare no later at the traditional and to me anchor beyond your control. Yes, so far I think that's so good. You're managing your money and if we had our own way and now 77 can nipa bako kra every month senka yabe pedisa nanso unfortunately no yenyan mu bi ahwere omunkwa due to yare
Hefa na ujidi senka ye mia ye ho kakra ebiank ye ndu 32,000 den ya ujidi se in this fight no we ya ni ye pa hene so na ujidi se ya to sini kakra.
Well na ye ya ka yare ni bi etumi maha yare we no be pandemic be a cover the whole world you know say beba had the night was a matter of time. So especially when enya yare bia e kan obi a initially no obetumi di wani ehu in view of that you know if you said the way I spread it worldwide there na a matter of time and e betumi aba bedru ha mu eti I don't think say nanka ye wo alternative bia e betumi aye my di ye my di Rebecca say no matter what young kwadi been to be memura. But all we had to do was they say ye betutu anamon say a baby drew her and ye then ye betumi aye. So sa anamon na make say honor it drew such stages yana it needs leadership. Fortunately or unfortunately, no, even the scientific community na kasa nkra e do stages like this yema omudi anim no omo akra no even as we speak now no kra no omu tumi enya total grasp on yare no ni su ne ban nti ema ne control no de ya na ehwa asem kan edi kakra nti management ya na mfi se e wo se ya manage no edira me yes so far ni de mfi se de nipa bitumi aya na president ne front line workers ne Ghana fo nyina no yetu sa na mo no however ka yemudu do na so ya hweyie etie ni di nhihye no so yie e bi so anka spread no rate a spread no e bi anka enkonkodu bebi a yakwa kodu sisia so ena me no ka se nso no kra no anya de a yare no so onkoe oda ho around yes per the data and science leading it no more restrictions are ban de aba from time to time now review be now easy be no anything ni nyina ye said ye can say as yare no it has come to stay it is if it has come to stay there then ye so say anamon be ni betu kwan be ni be fa so ne so ye ni natena e wa bra otumi so emetete so some of these measures no from time to time ya na ye aba ebi o ba na opinions like gnosis obia wo binti no obia betumi a kire bi o ebia e say ki yinisi ankaye but ni nyina ye however after obia kire na adwe no so no somebody has to be making decisions out of the many opinions among for best person so I don't know where or my collate the views any suggestions and what have you ni na no suggestions are omo afa and I say anamo matututu out of it now so if you say there nipa be ya ni aye o de ba am say e bia going forward no ye be san so ahwe e ba ni management na nkasa na anamo be na president so too difficulties e dia ba no anamo be ni ye de egu akwan mu a etumi so ye ho asene kakra perhaps e bia nka hardships anka e be go through no yentumi and as you go through very difficult times as maybe say be and to sana mona ke be go through. Look at the lockdown times, for example, when everybody was shouting say lockdown yes utie do dona no can do baby a partial lockdown we the opportunity cost benefit analysis na year really no you between sustaining lockdown now for how long. I mean people were proposing say because can lockdown the whole country. So, but I don't know. So, one year, sometimes depending on where you sit, you may be fast to complain and to suggest, say, young lockdown. For example, to be out Ghana Medical Association, for our Modianaka, they were all for total lockdown. So, and considering where they sit, the one here you be tempted to believe or to go along with almost just now more day ban. Na hon na true bia emu bi ni bi say eh mona mo suggest total lockdown. Are you expecting say bosume so a fan obi oti finance and as a controller and the workers in there omo bekọ adwuma no makoye adwuma na yetua moka at the end of the month na and now yes a total lockdown for 2-3 months ni entua oka you will not complain. Again, are you expecting say total lockdown no electricity workers there omo dia nko omo kwadwuma no omo do nko provide light no ma while you are locked down in your room na and Ghana water staff there omo so kwadwuma no omo there omo so you know eti I don't know because the one here now sector e bia nko a wote the abofi say hey this is the only way to go. However, if the presidency and as the president so up there no yes otie Ghana Medical Association for views and suggestions from medical professional point of view no otie the social commentators no so kakra no ahwe ha. Now then comes the balancing act. So oh yes, you good see a bit lockdown there. Then so yanhwe na say you tie dey bia the game for nko aka na ye total lockdown now. What are the consequences? What will happen if the next 1 month or two no ye ntua workers ka all because almost one yes adwuma ni no they are all locked down in their homes. Ade dem so na kebesi. In any case, oko up there US and other advanced societies are on total lockdown. That is all well and good because nipa ne shani dem he or she has everything be to himself. At the crown of person or to another say you between online. He has toilet facilities, he has everything within that room no lock down himself. No. Now what the back yes you have more the reality on the ground they say. For example, if Uba Accra haya Accra na if ya he and a man for toilet to themselves. Apart from say few ABI or more if you na na or more san toilet ABI or no room crowd toilet facility to himself no oko compound houses are the better of it no say they have crana they share. And so now going beyond compound houses no a lot of people so in say almost have to access public toilet facilities. Now the way ABI spread now. And you if there's a place to avoid in times like this, no power cry, and you toilet areas. And so here we are. The reality is say lock down the people, and yet a grand power they have to come out and attend to nature's call. The whole year ABI 50 or 100 accessing the same facility. Normal times the hygienic conditions net saying. And now we are Sababeka. So yes, you may be shouting lockdown, but the reality on the ground is absolute lockdown and the county there. Not and yet they are practicable.
This FM 104.3 Would you mean